Welcome to this week's website development challenge. Last week we were able to do a website related to the vehicle market. So the platform is now live and actually has already active users and clients using it. So we're also looking forward to building a team related to this. You can visit www.automat.co.ke and see avenues through which you can be able to partner. So through Automat, you're able to hire vehicles online, buy a car online, also be able to purchase solutions such as insurance and vehicle accessories. And we've also partnered with financial institutions, so it can be able to procure asset finance loans and logbook loans through a singular platform. This week, we're going to work on an e-commerce platform, or rather an e-commerce marketplace. So where businesses and individuals will be able to post products and sell these products, and also be able to run targeted adverts towards people looking for these products through social media and through search engines. So to learn more about this, you can visit the link below. The product for this week will be tiptop.co.ke. We'll also be able to scale this later on into a mobile application to support the user friendliness and the long-term use within the industry. To learn more, feel free to get in touch with us through the link in the description here below.